3 years ago, it started with a single idea, an idea born from compassion, fueled by hope. No big budgets, no big promises, just one small step towards better tomorrow. Today, we look back not with pride but with gratitude. In 3 years, we've educated children who once had no school. We've empowered women who were never given a chance. Brought light to homes where only darkness lived. Today, we don't celebrate an anniversary. We celebrate resilience. We celebrate impact. We celebrate family. 3 years down, a lifetime to go. Happy third anniversary to Saksham Foundation.
ભરોસો એટલે